everybody, welcome back to our channel. I wanted to show you guys the packing cubes that we use this time on our trip. So this is a shorter cruise for us. It is a 4-night, 5-day, and we've got my daughter's cube, my cube, and my husband's cubes. So in these, I'm gonna unpack my husband's so you guys can see all of the items that are in there, and I'll tell you what's in each cube, so you can get a feel of how to pack yours. So these do have, which are really cool, they each have see-through mesh and see-through areas, so you can visually see what's in one. I ordered one set of 8 just to see if we liked them. I will be ordering more because they are actually really great. So they have 2 zippers, so no matter where you're pulling from, you can always open. So inside my husband's, we are going to have, it's a lot of clothes. This is all of his clothes for a week. So we've got lots of shirts. We have jeans. Y'all, we have bathing suits. We've got 2 bathing suits. Let me see if I can lay all this out. This does not include our formal wear. So we do wear suits and dresses. So the suits are not going in here because they'll get too wrinkled, and then that defeats the purpose of ironing beforehand. So we now have 2 nice shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts. We're still going. And then, so we've got 6 shirts, and then we are looking at pants. So athletic shorts, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 athletic shorts in here. So within this one packing cube, and y'all, this was not very big. We've got 2 bathing suits, shorts, shirts, nice shirts, and a pair of jeans. So in mine, I included my underwear as well. So I've got 2 bathing suits, 8 shirts, 3 pairs of shorts, my jeans, and what was the last thing I put in there? I think I even put a sundress in here. And then my daughter has 4 complete outfits. So we're looking at shorts and pants, 4 dresses for the evenings, for dinners. She has all of her underwear, 2 pair of pajamas, and 2 bathing suits, all within this one little cube. So we literally put it all in here, zipped it up, tossed it into the suitcase, and now we just get to unpack into our stateroom drawers. So we hope you enjoy this tip along with our other packing tips from the other cruises. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite packing hack when your family goes on vacation?